Today we are assembling something brand new and awesome, using some metal waste parts. It's going to be a super ATV. This self-made ATV will be able to overpass any mud and even water barriers. Hello subscribers, let's begin with that. There is a piece of an old project and the old good chainsaw. It's going to fit here. Something kinda like that. The face is going to be a little longer, so it would be more comfortable. This time we'll make here a normal seat. It will be somewhere there. We always feel the need to increase the thrust, so there will be installed a reducing gear from the Honda Dio scooter, which works pretty awesome. You can see how I spin it really fast and it gives out a slow mode. And I think we need to weld here a couple of sprockets that I've just bought in the market. The reducing gear will stand right here. I will weld the sprockets to it, then I put on the chains. The next is the shaft that was already created beforehand, and we will attach here the chain too. And just in case, we've bought here a big sprocket, in case we need more torque power. So we have a backup option. The wheels are the next to be installed after all. So what are we up to this time? There are some wheels from the wheelchair I found. And I need just to add them to the shaft and that's it. Easy peasy. We will just use the old fittings here. That's a relief, it's used the old barrel perfectly. We have cut it even before buying the wheels. It is perfect, it needs a little fastening though. Nextly, let's take a wheel chamber, which is from Kamaz vehicle, and put this chamber on the barrel surface. Then pump some air inside, and it's going to be really big. Let's take a rope. This one is like a safety belt, and use it to attach the chamber. We also need to put something protective on it, so that the chamber won't be damaged. And finally, we will install here an awful lot of screws on the top, so the wheels could go anywhere, any surface. Add all these ingredients and you will get this beastie wheel. Nothing special, that's easy to make and all parts are easy to find. You can't make it more simpler. Now you see the stages of the wheel evolution, and I guess I need to pump it a little more. The shaft will be at this level, because that's the wheel's height. The passableness skill will be increased to 100 at once. It will be sweet. A couple of bolts required. We've taken the front from the bicycle, welded it, and there is the steering. We don't want to make the same mistake again. The mistake was 80 degrees angle, like this. And the e-snowmobile bike couldn't turn well. We are making it with an angle, so it will look like this. And like this when turning. And it won't be broken while turning. The engine is already installed. There is the reducing gear, all working, all moving. There are no parts that increase tension this time. All chains are situated the best, so no such elements required. And we made these wheels removable, so we could easily put this ATV in the car. That's it, let me screw there some bolts and we can go. Just keep in mind that there will be the wheel chambers. It is the testing day today. The wheels are super big. And there is the ATV monster itself. And the ski is double. Oh my, that's the beast. Just look at it. By the way, I have added the sprocket in the end, so we've lost some speed, maybe 5 km/h or something. And now we see the previous one and the final variant. Is the torque rate crazy now? Oh my wheels, holy! A tube gets in a tube? A tube goes in another tube? What? Is that a swamp monster? That looks really impressive. And the saw here looks so natural and beautiful. This one is so high. How did you make it that high? I thought I was going to use the old seat from the previous one. Then I decided that this one suits better. Yeah, it's very but soft. I remember now, that's from your old bike. Oh, such a nice weld here. And I really like this angle. Hey, where are the brakes? There is a fact about me, everything we built in my place doesn't have any brakes in the beginning. And this time there are no brakes required, by the way. The reducing gear does it very well. It's like on a scooter, when you stop pressing gas, it stops. Really stops? Yeah, it does, and fast. Let's go and try it. Let me feed this beast. Right, stop. This view is so yellow. The crank is somewhere there, far. Oh, there it is, I see. It's dripping. Oh, damn it! My cell phone! Hang on. My baby!
Езжай, дружище. О! Ничего себе вперед! О!
Okay, there we are. Well, it goes awesomely on the deep snow.
А? Да.
Let me try this one. Here you go. Will I follow something? I don't have a notion. It can deal with snow. Oh my gosh! That is so damn it soft! Watch out for... What's that? Is it supposed to be like this? Yeah, that is required. Give me some. Here we go. Come on, press on more! And the most exciting part, turning it around. Come on, Alex. Is it working? Oh, it does. There I go! Well, my thoughts. It is roaring that loud when I'm pressing on. It always feels like it's going to blow up. Yeah, I got you. It is roaring like hell. It was like in a rocket or something. It's like you're going to space. It's like, that's a real beast. Turning is okay, but turning around isn't that easy. It's easier in the snow. Did you see or not? It can turn around in the deep snow easily. Yeah, in the deep snow it's okay. It was born to go on the deep snow, it's obvious. But the road, or rather that trench, it is just too narrow to turn around it properly. And I had to stop and make it like this. There's going to be a steep hill, guys. That's damn enormous, look at it. Now he's going up. That's a beast. It made it on the biggest hill around. It's so snowy. Oh, he's on the top. Have a look at the steep hill itself. There comes the downway. But how he's going to stop? There are no brakes. He's going down. What the hell is he doing? What the hell? Alright. Crap. Where are you going? Oh yeah, show me that! Show me the power of that monster!
О!
You know, this one is super. It is really perfect, I think. I can't see any drawbacks in it. You made it on the hill easily. That is just fantabulous. Do you think this ATV can go on water? Should we turn it into amphibian ATV? Write what do you think about it, friend. And we will make it.